my loves. I'm going to be reading you this piece of paper with section of words. Surprised picnic restaurant at eating book. My is years. Mommy went berry. Decorated playground for Rihanna. Kaitlyn it 5. Love Daddy and 2 games. Playground birthday it about an old Jessie ice cream the pancake. Many and playground in garden I flower. Fat cat doll butterfly red found 2 today. Made rainbow played mat 6 for house saw so drawing 2 today. The went flowers. She for in of photo autumn in Philippines. Me yard back and backyard. When I taking playground happy on airplane beach. Mummies Nana and singing sing. Where eyes he is pink. See 1 blue 2 happy 10 3 yellow ground. This caterpillar, you can see the caterpillar, and it's called flower. Colors: green caterpillar leaf, red apple, strawberry, orange yellow cheese, brown cocoon, many butterfly. Colors: get all the colors around. Learn all about colors with the very hungry caterpillar. Words: apple. You can see the apple and the words. Boy, girl, house. Ball, sun. Flower, butterfly. Car, fire engine. Apple, bird. Learn very first words from house to car. Animal sounds. And you can see a dog. Baa, sheep. Moo, cow. Squeak, mice. Roar, lion. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And that is cockerel. Sheep, chicks. quack, dog. Woof, dog. Meow, cat. Bzzz, bees. Learn all about animal sounds and join in the fun. Numbers. You can see 3 caterpillars because when there's 3 caterpillars, that means numbers. 1 bear and the number 1 there. 2 trees. 3 stars. 4 penguins. 5 carrots. 6 acorns. 7 ladybirds. 8 fish. 9 flowers. 10 beetles. Learn very first numbers from 1 to 10. You know when we saw this part? Let's see. Did you know ladybirds? We've got lots of ladybirds around our houses. And also, we do have lots of trees. But one day, a man had to cut them down because it was falling, and it was falling on our dog Charlie. She didn't like it. Maybe one day you can buy these books at the shop and read them to your brother and mom and sister. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my books, reading words, sounds, numbers. My loves, I hope you liked me reading the words, sounds, numbers, and colors. Hello, my loves. I'm going to be reading you